All right. No clue. All right. Interesting. All right. Let's work through that. show so it's not making sense. So if we do structure, I don't care about that. If we do structure, no break, which no break. Or actually, there, minute 35, if it breaks below all that, totally could. Seeing the breakdown. This right around that got burned. Lost it here. Then hit it here, took it out there, recouped. No idea what's going on with that. So then 15-minute is here. Oh yeah, there's that now. The 1 hour. Okay. So then the idea would be at the hourly. Yep. Hourly there. Okay. Well, that's not very fun. Okay. So okay, so you were gonna take a sell there because it closed. Here's the break, I guess. Let's do that in real time. Whoa, I think it's short. Jeez. Wow. Big bounce. All right, hourly there-ish. 15 is there. It's like a wedge almost, but okay. So then it stands to reason if trigger. Break. Woo! Whoop. Okay, so maybe here. Okay, so then you wicked it here. That's a big one. Big one. So now, okay, so you are doing some dirty. Oh, yeah. There's got to be news. There's got to be some news. What is going on? You speak at Harvard, that's it? No, what is going on here, buddy? What's going on here, buddy? What is going on, buddy?
They said the pressure would crush me. They said the weight would break me. But I was built different. Anchored deeper, still permanent.
All right, so that obviously we broke up here. So the idea was breaks down here. Obviously, it went a little further to here, which is good. And we were thinking, oh, continue down. We've got this area here, this zone. We've got all this liquidity stored. Obviously, overall time frame is bearish. We formed a high. What is that doing? We formed a high. It's a 15-minute here. What? 15-minute. So here. And the 15-minute here. This. Okay, so this broke here. Obviously, we have this area that went down there. This swept it, which that's dirty. So then to do that trigger would be like this if it re-breaks. Looks like, I mean, that's some dirty. 15 has it. Yeah. Okay. So no break. Okay, so we have no break, 6 minutes. And it's the hourly as well. Okay. Okay. So 15 minutes. Okay. Now this we would need. Oh no. Okay, this one. But here, this width. So if we're gonna change directions, we want that. Now this never got triggered into it. So we're still inside this candle. So width. So then it's a matter of, that's the hourly low, which it is. Now 1436, that's 22 points. Don't want to risk that. But now here. So expect it to that, So
look up, count them if you can. That's how many will come from you.
So 15 minute.
This land is yours. Your people will not be lost. I will keep what I have promised.
Hasn't swept the bottom, hasn't swept the top of the 15 minute. We're still in the 15 minute. Sure.
The sun came in the sun's sons.
Sun came in the sun's sons. Looking at the thing. Boom. So the idea of a range. So this, thank goodness I didn't get in here because that would have been the So trigger wise, yes. So this trade is going to be, never got triggered into it and it would have been a loss. So that's good. But the idea is parent candle.
It just keeps moving.
Boom. Okay, so this idea is now invalid right here. So this is invalid. Why? Because if we're still in that, we're expecting a breakdown here. I'm almost expecting to kind of go back into this area. This is the root.
It stands. At first we were guests, Joseph's people welcome. We grew, we multiplied just like the prophet said. And then a pharaoh arose who did not know Joseph, who looked at our numbers and saw not a blessing but a threat. And the welcome became a win. And the children of Israel built the monuments of the people who owned it. We were the great word, we were the backs, we were the hands that never saw the sun. We sang the promise in the dark to children who would never see it done. We held it in the grind and we kept it through the rod. 400 years of silence does not mean a silent God. One decree, kill the Hebrew sons, throw them in the Nile. But one woman wove a basket from the reeds and placed them in the very river meant to kill him, trusting God with what she couldn't keep. Pharaoh's daughter found him, named him Moses, and the man who would end the empire was raised inside its doors. God didn't just save the promise, he hid it in the palace. He remembered Abraham, he remembered Isaac, he remembered Jacob, he remembered Joseph, he remembered every name, every child born in the dark, carrying the covenant into a country that didn't know it. He remembered us, he remembered all. The promise was spoken, and it has not moved. To the basket now.
You know, I can't. That's dumb. I should be able to attach text to that. That's so stupid. That's the daily. So blue line is a daily protector. Okay. Wow. Kidoki. Okie dokie. Now, on the hourly, this is a 15-minute protected, and this is a 1 hour. Yeah. And then I'm all, let my people go, my people go. Okay, so 15. Now we have a parent candle, so then there's your double bottom, boom. So then we have here carry loss. What is parted at your commands? But the wilderness was not what they planned. Miracles resting in open hands. Still doubt was louder in this land. Between the fire and the sand, you did not loosen your command. So 15-minute now closed above. Okay. So now, right up here. That's a 15-minute candle. Now we have a battle low. You will stand. So here, boom, boom, whatever, 5-minute here, this, that, boom. So then, boom, boom, boom. Activity. So we're looking for, probably for it to come back up to here. Oh, look for something here. You could do that to this, So not what I wanted. Confirmation candle. You can call that the retest, which is stupido. So parent candles, the idea for ranges. And obviously if that was the bottom, you would think, oh, here, I wanted a little bit of a sweep, but no sweep. No big deal. So no rebreak. No trigger, which is fine. That's your confirmation candle. Okay. So then on the hourly, we created a valid high. 15-minute, that's a protected, so then you can break it. Not sure what your freaking deal is here, bud. Okay. No. So now, so 50% is up there, coincides with that 50. Within my voice and your command, never disappear. And burn the still, man of God. Is there? Okay, well. Interesting. Yep. Expect something here. I want to see my confirmation. And so hourly, yeah, could be an hourly move.
Still sincere. Close enough to see, but not for me to enter. And let me carry what you carry. Let me guard the center. Do not strike what God says speak to. I will follow voice, not pride. Live for God. Fire and the sand. You did not loosen your command. When we were faithless, full of fear, your presence never disappeared. The desert burned beneath your will. The pillar burned and burns are still. Not every leader sees the land, but you are God, and you will stand. You will stand. You will stand. You will stand. Sweat dried white on my black shirt, laces frayed, but I still stand. Scars on my hands like check marks, every bruise I didn't quit. Crack on the wall, try to down me, someone down, I stayed in. Now my name's laid on the scoreboard, but I remember where I've been. Taste
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, got that 50 hit now. Could this be an hourly move? To here. Comes from starting again. Ooh, that's a lot of time. Wow, look at that. So that to that. Ooh. I mean, yeah. I mean, that up here comes in here, but if it comes here, I'll have to see this candle close. So then it's the redo. So now we're in an area attached around the 30, the 50. Well, yeah. So now, get the break there in 1 minute, candle closure, and then if we can get something like back up. So here's your confirmation. So the process would be confirmation, candle, retest, and then we've got rebreak. Man. They've already done it. I do watch the MNQ. Same idea. Boom. Of course, theirs is here, not a double. So that's, again, structure here did not come back. We expect to maybe test this. I'm ready. Feel shaky. I'm steady. We're spinning. I'm ready. Still spinning. Now it is to a 15-minute close. Ooh, but it is the 15th. Lost sleep, kept vision, closed doors, no friction. I don't beg, I don't bend, I don't move with the trend. Rock solid, no drift. Storm came, no shift. I don't shout, I exist in the ground. Whoa. Okay, so the idea would be here. So if it gets the rebreak, confirmation, but the idea is, does this continue up? We're coming to a 15-minute close, which we know typically 15-minute we'll do a push-up. So does this, even if it breaks it, do we have another swipe? Because then the idea is, does this intermittent? Because it's that 15-minute top wick if this is to resume down, or it could just blow up. So the test is confirmation, retest. I mean, didn't come up as high as we wanted, but rebreak has not happened yet. And that's 33.75. Ocean, where is an ocean? Okay, so there's your rebreak. There's your rebreak. Now let's see if I'm going to regret waiting on this. Even though at the time, I don't really. See, goes there. Baby on the dance floor. So I would expect some sort of top wig. And you got 30 seconds, 39 seconds, whatever, until they close to 15. No way. No way. Okay. You know, one MES, whatever. Woo! 6.25. So if you wanted a $125 risk at this, it'd be 4 MES. But remember the 15, 15 just opened. Now, ideally, don't want it to touch here. It would come into here. Let's do. Here, love to hit, or just. Oh, okay. Okay. Boo! Should have took a nap for real. And then you go la, and then I would go least break even. I'm walking out of here with something. So that be 10, whatever that freaking would be. Oh, TP. Oh, one tick, mother. What? Oh, it's gonna do it. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't do it. Oh, it's right there too. It's like sweep it. Sweep. Yeah, I can't do it, Mike. Cracker face. Oh, and you just had to wait. Honestly, I thought the 15 would go up a little higher. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's like, no way. I thought this would come up a little bit more, touch the green line, and I would have been in. I would have entered in right here, TP there, or stop there, here. Why? Great question. So 15-minute, we have them marked out. Val had this. Comes up, hits roughly the 15%. Strong confirmation candle here. So when we're looking at this, our process has been strong confirmation candle here, behind that close. Then you take the same, and you did, so this confirmation candle, you did a retest here. Then, again, it's extra confirmation. I'm not going for home runs. It did a rebreak there. Rebroke it on the same candle. And then the idea was 1.25 target, which it did here. Now, roughly 2 minutes into the trade, 3 minutes in the trade, you could have been done. But here's the point. So now, if this wasn't merely just a sweep of this low and it's going to continue up, then this needs to be respected. And what you're going to find is you're going to get a bounce around there's a 50. So now if we're saying, okay, did the little thing, we mitigated or whatever this area, and we want to move higher, then I would expect this candle to close on the inside. It can even close below. You could even, it could close anywhere in here. The next candle could open up, sweep this low, sweep this one, and then strong candle closure. And again, that would be to go back up, would be my confirmation candle, would be a closure above this one or whatever seems to happen. Could start to freaking do it now, but then that would need to close above here and then show me rebreak the highs. And then the same thing would happen. Confirmation candle, you have a retest of the zone that it just came out of. This is a zone to me. Right here. That would be a zone. That's not highlighted correctly. But when you look at it, you're like, oh, wow, okay, cool. What do you see? Well, we see that 50% starting to get hit. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm expecting to go top of here. Again, if I would have taken that would have been, but that's not my thing. That's not what I'm looking for. Because I'm bearish. And so I'm expecting this not to hold. Or at least price action right now is telling me bearish price action. Yes, we had bullish push, but then look at that. Okay, what is that? Low is 31.25. Close is double bottom. On the closure, did not close. Strong wick. So I would expect then that this next candle closes above this retest candle. So this one. So now the confirmation candle is going to change, or we want continuation. So even if it sweeps close, we still want a strong, because if right now we are ranging, if we are ranging, we did form a valid high. We could be in the 7 a.m. 1 hour candle. That could be a thing. Now this comes, you could sweep this because this is on a lower time frame inside, comes back down. But again, for continuation, must see a close. I am looking, if this is going to continue to go down, it has to break these areas. But for this idea, this trade idea, that worked beautifully.